what are you doing?
I'm making this recipe from this Rachel Ray cookbook about chicks in a sleeping bag or something.
Oh, cool. What are you doing that for?
It's for a class project. I have to make this recipe and write a paper over it.
Oh, well, you know if you don't cite your sources, you can get in really big plagiarism trouble.
What is Cite your sources?
I'm going to have to teach you how to cite a cookbook.
That sounds like fun.
How to cite in MLA format.
Step 1.
Okay, the first thing you need to do when you want to cite in MLA format is to find the author of the book. And normally the author is very big on the front of the book or will be around here on the binding. If it's on neither one, then you can open it and it'll be on one of the first few pages. And the author of this book is Rachel Ray. Now when you go to cite that, you put her last name first. So it would be Ray, Rachel, period. Step number 2.
The second step in listing a citation is to find the title of the book. The title of the book on this book is listed right here on the front cover where most titles are listed. They could also be listed on the binding of the book. And on the first few pages of the book, they will have the title. It's important to remember that when you're citing the title, that you capitalize every first letter of every word, and also that you format the title to be italicized. Step 3.
The next step is to find the publishing city of where the book was published. In this book, and in every other book, there is a copyright page, which will be one of the first 2 to 3 pages. And on this book, it says it was published in New York. So what you would do on your works cited page is put New York. Step number 4. After the city of publication, you now need to list the publishing company. The publishing company can also be found on the copyright page. It says, published in the United States by Clarkson Potter Publisher. To insert this on your works cited page, you need to capitalize each word and put a comma after.
Step 5. Next, you list the date that the work was published. You can find this in the same spot where you found the publishing company. It's commonly listed right by the publishing company, and in this case, this book was published in 2008.
Step 6.
In the last step of this process, you cite the medium. The medium is the type of document that you're citing, and in this case, we're citing a book. Therefore, we're citing print because the work is in print. You could also cite something from the web or something from a magazine article, which would also be in print. So, for our last step, you would put print and then put a period at the end.
This is the final product that will be displayed in your paper.